So I'm back again. Been a while since I made my last vlog. It was at the Startup Lab, but today I'm on Fifth Avenue. It is very nice out here. It has some very cool showrooms and cathedrals and everything, and a lot of fancy brands have their headquarter showrooms out here. But I'm going to Nike because I need to buy Air Force Ones, and I have my friend Navjot with me. He also wants to buy some shoes. So this is the Nike store. Again, pretty big, like has 5 stories. I think shouldn't be too long for us to actually get those shoes because I know exactly what I need to get. That's these are some cool shoes. The showroom itself is pretty cool. They have floors for everything. I think this first floor is like a general apparel plus new shoes, or like fancy looking shoes. They got some cool shoes there. I've been here a bunch of times, but I think the only issue with this place is there's no escalators or elevator. Actually, there's elevators, but there's usually too many people for the number of elevators they have. But anyway, this is what's it like. It's women, men Nike sneaker lab. So we have to go on floor number 4. But all the most like recent releases they'll have in terms of apparel and everything will be here. We're not here for like looking around. Actually, we know exactly what we want, so we're not going to look around a lot. Maybe just the sneakers themselves. I am also wearing my custom Metcon 7s. These I got made like 3 years back. So these are lifting shoes though. I don't usually wear them outside. कुछ देखना है क्या? क्या आपको कपड़े देखने हैं क्या? I think this is their Jordan floor. Plain tees from Nike. हाँ मतलब देख लो. I thought you also wanted to get shoes.
But I also want to get other things.
So Navjot's thing is that when he goes to a shop and he likes that place, he will usually buy other stuff that he didn't plan to buy.
Yes.
So, hey, hi. But yeah, this is the sneaker place. A lot of people here. In fact, I think most of the people who come to this showroom come here. They have like a cool sneaker thing. It's a pretty cool place. These are all their Jordans. I was thinking to like just have one video of this, but might need to do another one because yeah, I'll do another one when I've actually bought my shoes. I have a bunch of shoes like these, but like in red. But यार एक बार ये पकड़ लोगे कैमरे पे हाथ मत लगाओ गर्मी है उतार लगा
Air Force One.
Yeah, Air Force Ones. But I was thinking to get like plain white Air Force Ones, but I think these are also looking really nice. Or something like that. Get either of these. So which one do you like? Out of this and this one, which one would you choose? This one, right? I'll also choose this one. So I'm pretty set on like probably getting this. Let me ask somebody to get. What is your size? Shoe size?
11 at least.
11 at least. 11 to 13 US. 11 UK or US?
Thursday boots is 11.5. So it should be 10.5 to 11.
Basically giant feet. But let me ask somebody out here. I probably will make like a second video and upload this in 2 parts because I don't make any of my videos over 8-9 minutes.
How much was this?
Excuse me.
She already know to stop calling me that. What else? What else? That else?
Hey man, do you have a size 12 in this?
Huh?
Size 12?
12?
12 or 13?
I only have 9. 9 is the biggest size I got.
Wow, you don't. Okay. Is this like a kid's thing then, like, or what?
No, it's men's. It's just that we ran out of the bigger sizes.
So, do you have size 13 in like any shoes? Like, do you have size 13 at all?
Yes, we do.
You do, right? Which ones would. Like, I don't want to be bringing random shoes to you and then be like, could you tell me?
We usually just, I'll tell you like whenever that you're interested in, because it's like certain people don't like different colors that we might have it in. So I usually say whatever model that you like or color, I'll look it up just to see if we have it. But we do have size 13.
All right. That's a big problem with my. Every time I go to buy shoes, they don't have the size that I need, which is 13 US, and it sucks. Anyway, but I'm going to close this one. I'll make another video when I'm actually buying the shoes. So yeah.